Alrighty, page 273, Deep River. Same idea here. There's one new figure component thingy that we're going to add to the left hand in just a couple spots here, which I'll show you. But we start out with the same process here. Familiarize yourself with the melody and with the bass in the left hand. Now, again, they gave us the first two measures completely filled in, so you can practice that right away and use that as your guide. Let's do right hand melody, and we'll play the full chord since they wrote them in. Now, before I go on, I'm just going to show you one issue that might pop up, and that's getting into the second measure and through that second beat. Okay, that's not going to happen very easily. Place it, play it. Place it, play it. Place it, play it. And then go faster as you can. Place, play. Okay, you always want to be able to do these types of transitions faster than the perceived tempo, because once you put everything into context, everything is just going to slow itself down just so that you can execute yourself. I mean, it just takes a lot of brain power and a lot of physical coordination too. Once you know it here and here, it doesn't mean that you know it here. Okay, so that's why this is hard. That's why music is hard, and people don't do it as much, and people don't realize how hard it is. But we do some amazing things on our instruments. End motivational rant here, and we'll go back. But since the chords are already written out, let's just start with the chord back and forth practice right away, so at least we get two measures down. Place it, play it. Play it. And so forth. Okay, now let's go back to familiarizing with the melody. So this is pick up to measure 3. Fermata. And there you have it. So familiarize yourself with that, get that fluid. Now let's go to the bass line. Now, one of the new things that I was talking about is the moving bass line here. And they wrote it out in the very beginning. And that's all we have to do is do like a do-so-do sort of figure in the first measure and in the fifth measure. So F, F7, B flat. Dictated F major, dictated D minor, and now again we'll do that at measure 5, just like measure 1. G sharp, F chord with an A in the bottom, G minor 7 with a C in the bottom. We've had that before, but I'll go through it again. C7, F, G minor 7, F. So get that into you. Once you get that down, see if you could just at least get the bass and melody together. I'll go through a few treble issues on that spot in a minute. Just like the beginning, until here, which we'll go through. But get that into you first. I'll talk to you about placement and all that as we go along. For now, practice.